Greetings, teachers of 2024. I'm reaching back in time to you from the year 2050. You know me. My younger self is in your classroom right now, eager and full of potential. The future I live in is vibrant but fragile. Your actions today will shape it. This isn't just a message, it's a plea. In your near future, my distant past, lies a critical choice, whether to embrace teaching computer science. Your choice will ripple through time. It gave me the skills to innovate, to solve challenges unimaginable in your present. But without your guidance in this moment, my future, our future, may not come to pass. You will have support, specialists who will co-teach model lessons with you. There's a way to bring 20 life-changing hours of coding into your classroom. An approach that will spark creativity, excitement, and discovery. This opportunity isn't simply about professional development. It is something that unlocks our minds. In every child's curiosity, you'll hear echoes of the future waiting to be unlocked. This message is one of those echoes, urging you to take the steps that will shape tomorrow.